Hi guys, this is Dr. Buch. I've been doing this a long time, an orthopedic surgeon taking care of multiple things now over the years. And most of the things I do are difficult shoulders, knees, and hips. And the problem is that I also take care of a lot of insurances that a lot of people don't. We do a lot of work comp and a lot of Department of Labor and a lot of letter of protection accident ones. The problem is, by the time you get to me, somebody else either already treated you or it's been delayed for so long that the results can't be as good as it could be if we could have seen us first. And we get this story all the time when they come in that we couldn't find anybody or couldn't find anybody good enough to do this going forward. And I see people 1 or 2 years after an injury, which is just criminal to me because a simple thing could have took care of them ahead of time. And navigating through all that is very difficult, especially for a lot of offices in this day and age. They don't know what hoops to jump through to get permission to do certain things. We've done this a long time, and it's difficult. I'm not going to say it's not, but we can accommodate those kind of things going forward, and we can help in those circumstances and navigate through that.